But more than your life story, the one you tell others, the one you tell yourself, etc., the one you kind of live with, is this is my movie, this is my drama, and this is the character moving through this drama, the hard times, the good times, the whatever, and my future, my destiny. Where I'm going. So, that's one aspect. It's not the whole story at all. That's just part of it. See, but without thinking about it, probably, you have this kind of story that you tell, etc. But then there's also this sort of background character you're being. And there's a lot held inside the character you're being that relates to the story, see? But it's like on its own. Kind of like, this just occurred to me, kind of like, like a novelist will write a novel, and they'll create characters in the novel. And if they're a, diligent novelist, whatever, a good novelist, they'll write up these characters. They will get to know these characters independent of anything that's happening in the book. See? They develop the character. What is this person? How do they think? How do they react? What's their background? All this stuff, right? So that when things happen in the book, they know how that character would relate to it. Do you see the parallel here? See? So, one of the things I'd invite you to consider is giving up your life story. Giving up your movie and giving up the character or role you're playing in it. Now just imagine that for a moment. You don't have to do it right now, but just imagine that for a moment. Now that would be different, wouldn't it? See, that would be different, a different life. You see? You'd be a different person, somewhat, anyway, see, because you wouldn't be doing that role or that character in the movie. You wouldn't have that kind of background context from which to come. You're not predicted or predictable, you see, as the character is going to be this way with whatever circumstances, you see. Like, that'd be freeing. See, now, I know what comes up, right? Yes, but, well, I can't, Oh, but it's my life. Oh, I like this one. It made me who I am. I wouldn't change a thing about my life because it's made me who I am. Okay. So fucking what? See, it's like it made you who you are. The only reason you treasure who you are is because it's who you are. All right, that didn't come out as clearly as I thought it. Okay. See, but dig it. It's because you're attached to it. Made me who I wouldn't change because it made me who I am. What? Do you understand? This is a nonsense. It's nonsense. So, if it was different, made you somebody else, then you'd be fine with that, right? Well, no, because I like the way I am. I like who I am. Duh. Hello? It's just, anyway. Anyway, I don't consider that a very sound argument. And really, you're confessing is that you're nothing but circumstance, right? You're the product of circumstances, programming, whatever. See, and that's it. Okay, and you really like that. See? Yes, I like that because I am like who I am. I said, all right. But what if it was all different and you were a different person? You would like who you are then. So why not be that? Why not that to be the case right now? See? Why not be a different person? Create a different history. If you don't feel capable of creating a different history than the one you say you already lived, you could do it from now on. You see, create a different history, and in 10 years you'd have a different one. Right? Very uncharacteristic and be a different person. Say, well, no. But you understand, it's just like, I like my cup. You know, everything in life is giving me this cup, and I'm glad that I have this cup. That cup. Yes, sir.
You're trying to communicate the irrelevance of the story itself?
I'm trying to communicate the irrelevance of the person itself. You know, the whole shebang. But anyway, yeah. See, it doesn't matter. I mean, not only does it not matter, it's not it's not true. But that's in an ultimate sense. It's like the only reason you, whatever, like who you are is because it's who you are. It's like the only reason I might like karate is because I'm doing karate. You understand? That's a stupid reason. The only reason I like Taiji is because I'm doing Taiji. The only reason I like, Christianity is because I do Christianity. The only reason I like, whatever it is. Because that's what I'm doing. All right. So, if you give up karate now and take up aikido, are you a different person? No, I transcended karate now and I'm into aikido, most superior. Or whatever, say I've moved on, it's part of my progression. All right. But you see, none of it matters. No, I guess not. Yes, sir.
I get the sense that my person is arbitrary. Like the shape of myself is arbitrary.
Yeah.
And just because it's myself that's why I'm attached to it. But only because it's myself.
Yeah.
Not because of any of specifics of the shape. Because the shape is an arbitrary thing. It's not like nothing actually special about it except for that it's all that I have.
Yes, it is all you have. That's true. Except for the truth.
Right.
Otherwise, it's all you got, right?
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.